Hey friends, this is Carmen. Welcome to our channel. I have something new for you today, so stay tuned. Okay friends, so what we're gonna need, these are all Dollar Tree items that I got here today. This is a wreath that I had hanging on the door already. And I'm going to be taking, it's a rag wreath that I made a couple years ago, and it's just strips of material that I tied onto this twine, a grapevine wreath, and I'm going to take those off and use the wreath and add, I'm not going to add all of them because this wreath is small, but I wanted to get a good selection and then maybe put the rest of them somewhere else. These Dollar Tree bunches of hydrangeas, sunflowers, and I believe this is mini mums, and these are Gerber daisies. So I'll be taking these off and hot gluing them onto the wreath. I also found there this really cute little owl that I think I'm gonna maybe put somewhere on there. Okay. And then I did find this. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but it is a little hanging decor, little red truck with pumpkins on it, Happy Harvest. I don't think I'll put it in the center because the wreath isn't big enough, and one, and two, it would block the little peephole in our door that I like to use. So I may hang it from below, make this a little bit longer decor. So we'll see as I go along if I use this or not. Okay, so you're also going to need some wire cutters to take to cut the blooms off, or some of them you can just pop off. I have some scissors here, so let me go ahead, take these rags off and get these flowers off, and then I'll come back and we can get started gluing these on. Okay, I've taken all the rags off, which was a task in itself. I'm not sure if I'll ever do that project again. But I've also taken the flowers off the bunches, and what I've done is I've taken the little part that goes onto the leaves, taken that off and attached it, hot glued it to the back of some of the flowers because I want some of them to have some greenery. Okay. And the way the bunches were, these leaves were further down on the stem. So if you want the flowers with the leaves, you'll need to take this little piece off. So since this wreath is a 12-inch wreath, it's a small one, I have plenty of flowers to do a full circle of flowers. Okay, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Simply put some hot glue right on the bottom here and start nesting it in. And you're going to need to nest it in fairly well because since there's so many gaps in here, you want it to get in there and have the hot glue attach itself to one of the twigs in there. Okay? them around a little bit. Get rid of all the glue strings. Be careful with that, I burned myself already. What do you think, friends? So now we need to find a space for our little friend here. Thinking there's kind of a spot right here already that has some space. I'll probably glue them in right there. Fix his little nose kind of. Just put some glue on his bottom. Supplies, the flowers, and the little owl cost me, let's see, probably $5–6. Each bunch was $1. I do have some left over that I'll be able to use in something else, but for $5 now, the wreath, if I had gotten it at Dollar Tree, it would have been $1. So let's say $6, you can create this really cute fall wreath. Now I specifically chose colors that were lighter and not the really bright orange, and I'll show you in a minute why. But I really am, excuse me, I really am more attracted to these more muted colors and lighter colors, okay? So let me, I don't think I'm gonna use the truck on this. I think I'm gonna put the truck probably out in the balcony because I just like this the way that it is. So let me put this on our hanger and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, I am outside of our door, and this is why I chose flowers that were lighter in color. Our door is orange. I know, friends, orange. So nothing I can do about that. So that is why I selected flowers that were much lighter, and door and everything, we are ready for fall, even though it's 100 degrees outside right now. But this is such an easy project. I hope that you don't mind that I did a little craft project on my plant channel here. It's just been so hot lately that transplanting and bringing in new plants, you know, I really want to wait until it gets a little bit cooler. Like for instance, right here in our front door, I need to do something about this guy. This foxtail fern is dying on me, and I need to transplant it into something smaller, get rid of my little fairy garden here, and I have a pencil cactus that I'm going to put there that is outgrowing another pot. So that will be my next video, probably is transplanting these into another pot and bringing the pencil cactus in there. But that is our fall wreath that we have for our front door. Hope you enjoyed this, friends, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy these types of videos where I do a little bit of crafting every now and then, please do let me know down in the comments below. Thanks so much, friends. Have a blessed day.